In this video, I'm going to be doing a DIY. So if you're interested in finding out about my spring decor, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below, then a bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And before we go, won't you give your girl a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up. And then later on, don't forget to comment and share this wonderful video. Now, today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. This collaboration is titled The Spring DIY and is hosted by Heidi Sumble for Happily Thriving Heidi. Now, if you're not familiar with Heidi's channel, I have a link to Heidi's channel along with the playlist in the description box when it becomes available. Now, she had rules for her challenge, and her rules are very simple. The first one is you had to make one or more spring craft for your video. 2, share your supply list with viewers. 3, mention Happily Thriving Heidi and the playlist in your video. 4, link her channel and the playlist when it becomes available in the description box. I have some ideas going around. I've been thinking about what I was going to do, and I'm trying to make it a no spend. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with for my spring DIY, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, here are the things I'm going to be using for my DIY. I've had these things for a while. I have this blue bunny basket and I have the pink bunny basket. Now my goal was I was going to paint them both white, but I just realized I don't have enough white paint. So I'm going to trace one of them, which is the blue one. I'm going to paint it white. Now the paint I'm going to be using is this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. Fast drying indoor and outdoor semi-gloss. So I'm hoping it's enough in here to spray this. Okay. Well, there it is painted. So now I'm going to let it dry. And once it dries, I'll come back and show you what I do with both of them. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates.